Hey guys, it's Maddie
and Gina,
and today we're doing a Get Ready With Us. That was cute.
No, we didn't even plan that.
We're doing a Get Ready With Us, just through our makeup, our little steps that we do. Yes,
these looks.
What we do before a night out, day-to-day basis, we do not get full set with makeup.
I wear no makeup to work.
And I wear eyebrows to work. That's about it. So we're just gonna take you guys through what we do if we're going out or we have something we want to dress up for. And in no way are we booty gurus.
We are booty gurus.
We're booty gurus. In no way are we beauty gurus. We just like to do makeup to make ourselves look pretty. And yeah. Alright guys, so follow along with us and
keep watching.
So I already got my sponges wet. Guys, honestly, I'm so bad at makeup. Like, Gina knows what she's doing, but you guys are gonna watch me and you're like, why is she doing it like that?
We both just got our hair done.
Oh yeah.
This past weekend, so tell us it looks good.
Mine's like white blonde, her she got more blonde. We're just blonde.
Just blondes having more fun.
Yes, exactly. I'm also gonna say, like, I don't have the best makeup products right now because I'm poor.
I usually would never in my life, oh my gosh, people used to like say whatever because I said I would never shop at Ulta because it was like half drugstore. Like, what is your mind? What are you?
Why are you going to Ulta? I'm like, why not? And she's like, it grosses me out.
Well, cause like I just never feel like everything's like ripped open in the drugstore side, but I'm poor, so I had to get a drugstore foundation recently, but I actually really like it.
How do you put on your foundation?
I just dot it on my face, like this. What do you do?
I put like a dollop of it on my hand, and then I take my beauty blender, and I just do like dot it. And then I slowly start just like going ham on the side of my face. People are probably watching and saying, oh my god, what are you doing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Give me some tips.
I just take this big brush I got from Sephora and then just blend it all in.
Have you ever seen that makeup tutorial? That like the dad over.
Oh yeah, and he's like. Also, I make like crazy faces sometimes when I put on my makeup.
I have too, and it's hard for me to put on makeup sometimes over my like eyelids because I have eyelash extensions, and so like some of the ways I go about it are like, oh my god, I look like ghosts from Christmas past. It's okay, it'll be good when I contour. That's what I tell myself.
Yeah, it'll all blend.
It'll all work out. This is it. No blending. I'm just gonna keep this here.
You should.
Oh guys, you wanna hear this funny story that happened to me last weekend?
Well, tell it.
So
let's hear.
So last weekend, texting each other throughout it, she's like, oh, by the way, like I have a not a blind date, a date,
Bumble.
And mind you, me and Gina like have been trying so hard to actually use our dating apps. Like we're the worst.
We're the worst. We'll download it, look for 2 days, and delete them.
Or like I keep it on my phone and I just don't even match people. Or if I do match them, I never message them. They say, hey, what's up? And I'm like, oh.
It's usually Bumble too. Bumble's the worst one because the girls have to say something first. Yeah. And I never know what to say. So like I just never message and then it expires.
So she messaged this guy, whatever, so they plan on a date. And she's like, he has to do, it's a quick date. Gina has stuff, like Gina says, I just want to be in and out for an hour. You know, you don't want to plan a long date.
Because if you don't know if you're going to like them or not, so you don't want to do like a whole long meal, because then it's like, oh, if you don't like them, then it's like awkward, you're stuck there, you can't get out. In my head, I was like, okay, cool, like hour max, like 1 drink and that'll be that.
And I was like, well, hey, since you're in that area, that's where my hair was.
Yeah.
So she was like, well, I'm just gonna be a drink max, and then I'm gonna be starving after. Let's go get food.
And it was National Pizza Day.
And
we have been wanting.
You have been wanting. I did this for you.
I have been wanting margarita pizza so bad. It's like my favorite kind of pizza, but you obviously can't get that from like delivery pizza places. Like you have to go somewhere nice to get it. So that's what we planned for. We were like, okay, let's meet for pizza after.
I get out of my hair appointment. It's like 5 o'clock, and she was like texting me at 5:10. She's like, okay, I'm just now leaving. She said an hour, 6:30. So I go to the beach, I watch the sunset, and I'm like, oh, you know, it's a Saturday night, like I should probably get somewhere and get some reservations.
Because places were gonna pack up.
Yeah, it's a Saturday night, people are out. So I go to this like nice Italian restaurant, go up to the front, I was like, table for 2. She goes, okay, just give me 1 second. Mind you, there's a huge line at the door, so I'm like, 1 second. I was like, no rush, I'm still waiting on my person. She's like, oh, I got your table right here, miss. And then like, you're sitting me in front of all these people that have been here before me. Mind you, it's like 6:15, 6:20, so I'm like, I'm gonna have to sit here probably for like 10, 15 minutes, wait for Gina. And so I'm just sitting there and I'm like, oh, okay, they come, they're like, do you know what he's having yet? And
like she's going on a date.
And I was like, no, not yet. I was like, but I'll order a wine, so I ordered a wine.
Me, from my side, so I get there at 5:30, and we're just like talking, having a good time, and like, I don't want to look at my phone and, you know, pull my phone out of my purse and like check the time and stuff and it honestly wasn't even crossing my mind. So I wasn't thinking ahead, like a lot of time is passing. He asked me, oh, like, do you want another drink? And I was like, oh yeah, sure, because we were having fun. So when he left, I pulled out my phone and checked it. I saw that Maddie had texted me and she was like, I'm at the restaurant. I want to make sure you're not kidnapped.
There was multiple waiters coming on me, like, the guy who delivers the food is like, you okay, sweetie? My waitress, who's the bar manager. Yeah, everyone's like, everything okay?
This poor girl.
Mind you, at this point, I'm on my 3rd glass of wine, with like, my appetizer was like prosciutto and like cheese. So I'm like pretty drunk. And I'm like, I don't know what to do.
At 7:09, that's when he must have got up to go get the other drink, because then I sent her a text and I said, sorry, I'm having fun.
And so now it's 7 o'clock. I've been sat since 6:15. So I have been there for 45 minutes with just 3 glasses of wine. So waitress goes, you ready now, sweetie? And so I tell her, I was like, do you want to hear what happened? And so I told her, she's like, are you sure she's okay? I was like, I think so. She told me she's like still drinking, so I was assuming, so I have her location. She's like, well, if you think that she's okay, order. So as soon as I ordered, that's when Gina texted me and said, sorry, I'm having fun. I'm now on my 4th glass of wine. I could have ordered a bottle at this point. I just had a whole bottle of wine. But now it's 8:30 at night and I'm hammered and I'm in bed going to sleep. Like, I didn't even see Gina after her date.
I got done after my date night, texted me and I was like, oh my gosh, like, I tell you all about it. She was like, I might be sleeping by the time you get home. Like, I'm really tired, I'm tipsy.
My brows never look the same and I just convinced myself they're sisters and not twins.
Mine are second cousins twice removed.
You know what I will put on? I have this powder. I don't even know what it's setting powder. I asked the lady for setting powder and I don't think she knew what I was talking about. I didn't even know what I was talking about. I was like, people use setting powder, maybe I should get it. So I just got this Becca. It's called the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It's like setting spray but in powder form, so it's really cool. But you have to keep it like sealed because if you don't, it doesn't stay cold.
Oh really?
Yeah, you have to.
Oh wow.
And then I just really put it all around me just to kind of like bake what I have going on right now. And it just literally feels like I'm brushing water under my face. It feels like I'm messing up my makeup sometimes. Yeah. I don't know what it is.
For eyeshadow, we recently got the Morphe and James Charles collaboration palette.
It's freaking beautiful.
It's really pretty.
It honestly gives me anxiety looking at it because the only colors I see that I use are nudes. So when I was in college, I always wanted Gina to do my makeup because she's good at makeup. We were having a bid dinner with the fraternity. And I was talking to a boy in the fraternity, and so we planned on like being each other's dates at the bid dinner so I didn't get stuck with like another guy in his fraternity, just so we could like, whatever, be together. We go to this bid dinner, and the boy, for the first time ever, I like walked in, and I like sat across the aisle from him, he goes, oh my gosh, you look beautiful. And he only ever told me that one time when you didn't do my makeup. We never dated, and that's probably why, because he saw me beautiful once, and that's it.
Never again. Perfect.
Perfect. How do we look? Are we done?
Yeah, I think that's it.
So.
Okay guys, so that is it. This is our finished makeup looks, and that was our get ready with us video.
We'll go a little, we'll zoom in on each of these looks a little bit more so you can kind of see what we got going on. Hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with us, but we like to get ready together, kind of make sure we know what we're wearing. That's the hardest part about getting ready, which we're not going to take you guys through that because
that would be an hour-long video.
No, like 5-hour-long video. If you have any questions on makeup, we're probably not the girls to answer it.
Nope, look up James Charles or Jeffree Star.
Yes, those are the makeup artists.
They'll answer anything you need to know.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Here's our little up close look.
Oh, we look cute.
Yeah, we look freaking good.
Our highlight.
Oh my God, look at that contour.
Oh my God.
We're coming for you, Birdie Gurus.
Watch out, Jeffree Star.
We're coming for you.